Hey everyone, and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm starting a brand new series about the desk setup, and we'll be kicking it right off with the BenQ ScreenBar Halo. Now this is a gadget that I wanted to get for the desk setup for such a long time, and after trying out a different light bar you might have seen on my Instagram page that didn't quite fit on my monitor, I designed it to get the proper thing, which is the BenQ. And let's just get right into the box, and I am so impressed with how premium this unboxing experience is. In there we've got everything that we need to get started. And here we have the little Halo puck. And wow, when I took this out of the box, this thing is hefty. Let's get this light bar out and check out a little bit closer how this thing looks. We've got some just quality screaming materials used here. We've got this cool flat USB-A cable, and inside the little accessory pouch we have this spacer bar which has engraved Hello Halo on it. We've got some service and warranty information, as well as a quick setup guide, which I actually really love how minimal and easy laid out all of this is. Now let's install these little batteries into this puck. After a satisfying spinny peel on both sides, the little back just magnetizes right on there. The batteries they don't magnetize in, but they just slot right in. And now we're ready to get the light bar installed onto the screen. And what's super cool is that this light bar works on both flat and curved monitors with a little adapter included in the box. And it just powers directly by USB. And what I did as a pro tip, I used a little rubber band that came in the box to cable manage everything. So now this is already set up. Now we can use the little puck to enable the light, and wow, I absolutely love this. You can use the puck to change the brightness as well as the color temperature and go between the different modes, which I'll show you in a second. The color temperature goes all the way from a warm white to a cool daylight that's just absolutely perfect. The light bar also has an automatic sensor which you can configure, and also you can set your favorite presets, which is super nice. The spinny wheel, oh my god, it is so satisfying. This thing's like a fidget spinner on my desk. I can't stop spinning it, it's just so nice. I also actually quite like the touch controls. It feels quite smooth once you get the hang of where everything's located, and usability of it is just super nice. Now, let's check out these different modes. So, we have the normal desk illumination mode, which provides a super awesome task light. But we can also press on this magic button and the little halo at the back turns on, giving you this really awesome entertainment light and illuminating the back of the screen, which is just so cool, and it just feels so good to sit at the desk with that light at the back. You can also toggle between having only the back light, back and front light, or of course only the front light. I absolutely love this feature, and I think for me this is like end game light bar. Of course, the back also is completely color adjustable, so you can choose a warm white or anything in between up to a cool daylight color, making it absolutely optimal throughout the entire day for just giving your space that little bit more illumination and cozy vibes. Now, you might have noticed I had a webcam on my monitor, and usually with these light bars you can't really mount them, right? But with the BenQ here with my C920, all I had to do was just extend the little stand clip all the way flat, and it just lays on perfectly, and it just works. I absolutely love it. Also, what's cool is it doesn't block the backlight, so yeah, the halo light works absolutely perfect. And this would be the first episode of my desk upgrade series. Let me know in the comments below what you want to see me cover next. Thanks for watching.